guys, so join me as I clean the whole house today. Yesterday I'm doing the cleanup myself, so I'll be using this, my mop stick, this, and Viva Plus detergent to remove all stains on the floor. Now come with me, guys. So the first thing I did was to sweep the whole house. Yes, I swept the whole house, the living room, the sit out, the kitchen, the balcony. You need to do all of this before you start cleaning. Yes, first of all, to remove all the sands on the floor. You see me removing the chairs, sweeping under the chairs to make sure that I remove all the sands under the chairs. You need to do that. So I'm done sweeping the whole house and it's time to clean the whole place. And I'm doing my cleaning with Viva Plus detergent powder. With Viva Plus detergent powder, cleaning is made easy. Washing is made easy with Viva Plus detergent powder. So choose Viva Plus detergent powder today and worry no more. With this detergent, you don't struggle to remove stains on the floor and stains on the clothes. So for me, it is Viva Plus detergent or nothing. So let's head straight to the living room as I clean the whole place. Today I'll be cleaning the living room, the sit out, the kitchen, the balcony, my room, my toilet, my bathroom, and I'm going to be doing all this with my Viva Plus detergent. So let's get started. I went into the bathroom, turned on the tap to get some water, and there goes my detergent. So I headed straight to the living room and I started cleaning the whole place. Like, I cleaned the whole place thoroughly. Like, the whole place was sparkling clean after everything. So watch, guys. I'll come back later. So guys, at this point I was done cleaning the living room, the sit-out, the kitchen, the balcony, and I came back to arrange the living room, like to put everything in their right places. So guys, watch out for the next video, because in that video I'll be doing a continuation video, cleaning the refrigerator, the windows, the part of the walls that are dirty. So guys, wait for the next one. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos, watch my videos to the end. Thank you.